Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, traction control, stability control, power steering, cruise control, compass, fog lights, power brakes, trip odometer, clock. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.